Welcome to the snake pit.
Alright, I'm going to upgrade this standard AR charging handle. I'm going to upgrade the latch to an extended latch. Got this extended latch from Delta Team Tactical for $6.49, and looks pretty dang good. Does come with a extra roll pin as well and a new spring. I'm going to use this Real Avid bench block, give it a test here. Does have a lot of different options here, and one happens to be for the charging handle. Real simple operation. Going to bang out the roll pin holding the standard latch in place and swap out the parts. Alright, one thing, if you have, I put this little rubber mat down on the workbench, but trying to bang out, hammer out pins and stuff using a bench block, this stuff just cushions every little tap, and it's not worth it. Just roll it back, get on the firm surface, and bang out your pin. Try to get this where there's just not going to be a good camera angle here. Almost out. Okay. All right. Took out the old latch and the old spring. Alright, install your spring or reuse the spring that was already in there. You don't have to take it out. I'm going to use the spring that was already in this latch because it seems like it's a little bit stiffer than the one that came with this extended latch. Nothing wrong with that. I like a little more stiffness in the spring. Install your extended latch and then line up the little pinhole there. Now here is a little tip that will usually work. Grab a toothpick. I know there may be some different size toothpicks, but grab a toothpick and just help get that hole lined up. And you can see it's holding the latch in place, and the end is just right there. This toothpick doesn't go all the way through, but the tapered end is just enough that's going to hold it in place. Now if I'm using my bench block here, I'm going to need to just snap the end of this toothpick, and that way it's going to fit down in here. Grab the new pin. You can put a little dab of oil on these roll pins. I hate roll pins. A little dab of oil helps it hammer in usually a little bit better. Alright, so there it is, and you can see the little toothpick piece did pop out, no problem. And we have our roll pin installed flush. That one's pretty nice. It's flush on both sides, nothing sticking out. I like it. Alright, there we go. Pretty easy swap out. Real Avid bench block. Really worked out nice. Tip, don't have it on a cushioned surface because you're just wasting energy when you're trying to do your blows on your hammering out your pens. Trust me. Hopefully the toothpick tip helps you out with future roll pens, because I know there are several on the AR build. If you're doing like a strip blower or something, that this can come in handy. Having one of these comes in handy to get roll pins started. And of course, the right size roll pin punch has a little nub up there, but this isn't a tool. Save all your parts. Got extra spring, roll pin in there, and of course standard latch. That'll go in my parts bin. But stay tuned, that latch, or that charging handle I should say, is part of this KOTAR build. More to come. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching. Boom.